Well, hi there, everybody. Good morning to you. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here on a Tuesday morning, and I'm back after an extra day off and done with my jury selection, my jury duty. So back today, and it's been a little bit active the last couple of days. This pattern is going to continue for several days to come. Now, let's take you to your forecast. Again, still some scattered showers out there this morning, a couple of rumbles of thunder, but the severe weather threat is pretty low the rest of the morning. As we go through the day, most of the day will actually end up being dry, but then later on this afternoon, we'll have to watch for some developing showers and some thunderstorms with a lot of instability out there. There's some lift with a frontal boundary in the area. And so we'll have to watch for that chance of a couple of strong to severe thunderstorms out there this afternoon right into the evening hours. Even though Futurecast doesn't show a lot, there is certainly a possibility. Heading into the nighttime hours, we'll keep the chance of showers and storms around, with more of a complex of showers and storms pushing across the northern half of the state later in the night. All modes of severe weather possible, especially the large hail, dangerous winds, damaging winds. Isolated tornadoes not out of the question, though, especially late in the afternoon to the evening hours. And as we head towards tomorrow morning, the chance of rain and thunderstorms kind of clears out just a bit, just a small chance of rain and thunderstorms for your day on Wednesday. In fact, with a little more sunshine, could be on the warmer side into the 80s, and it will be on the humid side as well. And when I say 80s, I'm talking mid-80s, not just low 80s out there. There is still a small chance of showers and storms late in the day tomorrow and into tomorrow night, but not as good of a chance as today and tonight. But if something fires, severe weather is certainly a possibility. Well, let's look at your risks for the next couple of days. This is from the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma for today. They have most of the area in a slight risk of severe weather with an enhanced risk in western Nebraska. Again, as I mentioned, large hail damaging winds will be the primary threat, but you can't completely rule out an isolated tornado or two. Tomorrow, the risk shifts more towards central and eastern Nebraska, north central and northeastern Kansas. And that is a slight risk of severe weather. Again, the chance of severe weather a little bit lower tomorrow, but if something fires, there's certainly that chance there. More of a widespread event could be possible on Thursday with a large portion of the viewing area under a slight risk of severe thunderstorms. Looking at your highs for today, they will mostly be in the upper 70s and lower 80s. A slight chance of a thunderstorm to the north, to the west. A chance of thunderstorms later today, upper 70s to right around 80 degrees. Upper 70s and lower 80s elsewhere with a chance of thunderstorms in the south and a slight chance off towards the east. For the next several days, again, it's an active weather pattern. In fact, pretty decent chances of showers and thunderstorms Thursday into Friday, and still chances through the weekend into your Memorial Day holiday on Monday. And temperature-wise, we remain in the anywhere from the mid-70s to the mid-80s most days for highs, and it will be on the humid side as well. Lows in the 50s and lower 60s. So definitely feeling a little more like later spring instead of the early spring feel that we had several days last week. So our weather patterns changed. We are going to be on the active side of things. I don't see that changing anytime soon. In fact, some forecast models showing it continuing even beyond the next 7 days. So there you go. There is your forecast. Again, keep in mind things will kind of play out day to day. How something will play out is affected by how things go the night before. So again, it's kind of a play-by-ear kind of forecast here, as things will change in that forecast over the next several days to come. But there is that forecast. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a great Tuesday.